The next stock market meltdown could be closer than you think, and if you're nearing retirement or already retired, you need to start thinking about how to protect your wealth. Watching your savings shrink in the face of another financial crash is a nightmare for many retirees, but it doesn't have to be that way. There are simple, actionable steps you can take right now to safeguard your financial future. Steps that have helped thousands of Americans protect their wealth from the volatility of the stock market. First things first, the stock market is unpredictable. Even the most reliable investments can take a nosedive when the economy hits a rough patch. But if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, I encourage you to take a look at gold IRAs. Gold has been a trusted store of value for centuries, and during times of economic uncertainty, it often outperforms traditional stocks. In fact, many retirees are turning to gold IRAs as a safe haven to protect their wealth, especially if they have $100K or more in their IRA or 401K, or even $5 million in savings. If you want to know why this strategy is so effective, make sure to click the first link in the description to grab your free gold IRA guide. Now, let's talk about what else you can do to protect your wealth from the next stock market meltdown. One of the first things you can do is reduce your exposure to stocks, especially if you have a large portion of your portfolio tied up in high-risk assets. Diversification is key. But here's the catch. Most traditional diversification strategies still rely heavily on the stock market. When the market crashes, so does your portfolio, even if you're diversified. That's why gold IRAs stand out. They allow you to diversify your retirement savings away from the stock market and into something tangible, gold. Unlike stocks, gold holds its value in times of crisis, which is why it's often called a safe haven investment. It's not tied to the fluctuations of the stock market or the instability of the economy. So, as the market tumbles, your gold could actually increase in value, protecting your wealth while others are watching their investments plummet. Another powerful strategy is real estate. Many retirees invest in real estate as a way to protect their wealth. But just like stocks, the real estate market can crash too. The big issue with real estate is that it requires a significant amount of capital and can be illiquid. You can't just sell a house quickly like you can sell stocks, which leaves you vulnerable when you need liquidity. So, while real estate can be a good hedge, it's not always the most flexible or reliable option, especially if you're nearing or in retirement. Gold IRAs, on the other hand, give you the ability to tap into your investment quickly when needed, without having to deal with the hassle and risk of property ownership. Another option that retirees sometimes consider is annuities. While they can provide a steady income stream, they're not without their drawbacks. Annuities often come with high fees, long lock-in periods, and limited growth potential. You could end up stuck with an underperforming investment, especially when the market turns sour. In comparison, a gold IRA can offer you both growth potential and stability, which makes it a much better long-term option for most retirees. If you're serious about protecting your wealth and looking for a way to ensure that your savings are shielded from the next market crash, it's time to take a hard look at gold IRAs. With gold as a reliable asset class, you're setting yourself up for financial security in the face of uncertainty. Remember, if you have 100K plus in an IRA or 401K, or even 5M plus in savings, this is something you can't afford to overlook. Click the first link in the description to get your free gold IRA guide and learn more about how this strategy has already helped thousands of Americans like you. Don't wait for the next market crash to get serious about protecting your wealth. Take action now.